Daddy?
No, me only.
You only. So sweet naman. Wow, that was a big kiss. Wow, that was a big kiss. That was a big kiss.
Yeah, because it's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Yeah. That's why I give you a present.
Wow, a big kiss?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you for my present.
That's another cake for you.
Wow, where's my other cake?
It's a purple cake. It's tomorrow pa.
Tomorrow pa.
When you're like Papi.
What do you mean when I'm like Papi?
When you're tall.
When I get taller, you're gonna give me a purple cake? Oh, I thought tomorrow. What if I don't grow tall tomorrow?
Yeah.
Are you gonna still give me a purple cake?
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Blow the candle first.
You sing happy birthday first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle.
Thank you.
And then you eat it.
Eat na. Wow.
I will give you orange cake and then I will sing happy birthday, then I will give you a plate.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yes.
Where's my plate?
Here.
Oh. Yummy.
Are you busog na?
I'm busog na.
Last one.
Last one?
A red cake.
A red cake.
And then after a red cake, there will be a pink cake.
A pink cake. Is there a rainbow cake?
No.
Oh, okay. So just a purple cake, and then a red cake, and then a pink cake?
Yeah.
Wow.
Red cake.
Red cake. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. All done.
Pink cake.
Pink cake. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. All done. Thank
Orange
you.
cake.
May orange pa? Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, sarap. All done. Violet cake. Sarap. I'm busog na. You're feeding me lots of cakes. I'm so busog na.
What's next after violet?
I think violet is the last. Because if you follow the colors of the rainbow, ano nga yung colors of the rainbow? Red, orange. Diba there's a song? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. See, that's the last na. Indigo, yeah. Indigo cake? I'm busog na and we're about to sleep. You keep feeding me cake. How can mommy sleep if I'm so busog? My tummy's so full.
Yes, water.
Thank you.
Yes. Brush your teeth and then toothpaste. You brush your teeth now and then.
All done.
Is it spicy?
It's spicy, the toothpaste. It's minty.
Minty.
Mm-mm.
I'll give you another recipe. Here you
I need to brush my teeth again.
go.
Isa pa?
Because
How come?
Because he ate a lot of candy.
Candy? I thought cake.
Yes, because he ate a lot of cake.
Cake. So I need to brush my teeth one more time.
Is that spicy? Is that spicy?
All done.
Is that spicy?
It's not spicy. It's minty.
No, it's not. It's just not minty. It's water here.
Mm-mm. And then
This is orange.
orange. The fruit?
No.
Or is it juice?
Juice.
Ah, it's juice. But I drank water na and I brushed my teeth na.
I think spicy.
Iced tea? I thought orange.
I think orange.
Check orange. Mm.
I bite lumpy.
You bit Lampy?
Ah.
Nom, nom, nom.
Ah.
No. You might put daway on mommy's face. Don't do that.
Just pretend.
Just pretend. Why are you eating mommy's face? Why are you eating mommy's face? We might eat mommy's face while I'm sleeping. No. No.
Your face is in my tummy now.
Yay! We ate mommy's face.
Okay.
No, put it back. Put back mommy's face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. Is my face maganda again?
Mm-mm.
Okay, thank you. You
I
put
think-
everything back in the right place?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Are you sure? My eyes might be here. My lips might be here. You put everything back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is your nose here?
Hala, is my nose there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, can you put it in the middle? Thank you.
Is it?
Is my face back?
Yeah.
Is it maganda?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Is your apple here?
Oh my gosh.
Is your forehead here?
Oh no. Put it back.
Is your hair here?
Put it back.
I put it back.
Okay. Thank you. What did you tell teacher kanina?
I want to make a rainbow.
Oh, and then
White.
make a rainbow? And then
You are so quietly little.
no, diba you asked teacher if you could bring home your artwork?
Do you want to?
No, what did you tell teacher? I'm curious. Thank you. Okay.
When the campus here. When the campus here. When the campus. When your campus here. And your mama's here.
Okay. My mommy is your Lola. My mommy is Lola. I'll show it to Lola.
Yeah.
The rainbow?
Mhm.
You want to
Yes,
display
Lala.
You want to display the rainbow downstairs, your artwork? Let's display your artwork downstairs.
Papi, put it on the rack now.
Not yet, it's still there on Mommy's desk.
I forgot.
Yeah, you want to display it downstairs? Let's put it on the ref door. Okay. So you asked permission from teacher to bring home your artwork?
I ate that at butter.
Yeah, no. How did you ask permission from teacher to bring home your artwork? What did you say? I can't hear. I can't hear. What did you say?
Huh?
Mikmik? I'm asking you a question pa eh. Hindi mo naman sinagot eh. Sige, let's sleep na. You drink Mikmik na. And then you close your eyes now, okay? Okay?
Mommy,
You say goodnight to Mommy first because Mommy's gonna fall asleep na. Come on, say goodnight first before I give you Mikmik. Come on.
good night.
Is that how you say goodnight? Is that how you say goodnight?
Good night.
Yeah. How do you say goodnight to Mommy?
Because good night.
That's not how you say goodnight to Mommy. That's not how you say goodnight to Mommy. How do you say goodnight to Mommy? You're joking me. You're joking me. When you say goodnight, my Mommy.
I burp.
What do you say when you burp? Yeah. What do you say after you burp? Say, excuse me. I'm joking, Mommy. Eh. What do you say after you burp? What do you say after you burp? Excuse me.
No.
What? Oh, you say goodnight to Mommy.
Good night, Mommy.
Say, I love you. What's that voice? Why are you joking, Mommy? I love you, my baby.
I love you, my.
What's that voice? I love you, my baby. I love you, my baby.
I love you, my mommy.
Kiss, kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy. And embrace tight. Kiss and embrace tight. Mwah. Do you love Mommy? Do you love Mommy?
I'm a pirate.
You're a pirate? Do you love Mommy?
I like to be a pirate on Halloween.
On Halloween?
Mm-mm.
Sige, let's try to look for a costume, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you love Mommy?
I burp.
You burped again? What do you say when you burp?
Excuse me.
Do you love Mommy?
Yeah.
How much?
I got.
Yeah. How much? Excuse me.
No,
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. What's that?
The one letter. Let go. If you kiss with this and this. I'm a ballerina.
You're a ballerina.
You do like this and then your feet would do like this.
Okay. And then? You want to learn now how to dance ballet? When you turn 3, okay? Okay? We're gonna look for a ballet school.
Mommy,
Yeah?
you do like this. This is our proper stance. In slender stance.
Oh, wow.
You do like that.
And then?
You do like this.
Ah, like this?
Mm-mm.
Oh, yeah. Love you.
What's lumpy?
Here.
It's soft lumpy.
The soft lampy?
Is this baby lumpy?
No, that's Andy's lampy.
She always says, that's my lumpy.
That's my lampy.
She always says like that. When you're not here yet.
Barbie says that's my lampy?
No.
Who?
Papi.
Ah, Papi. Joking you? Si Papi talaga. Joking Andy.
No, she's not choking me anymore.
Papi's not joking you anymore? So it's Papi's lampy na?
No.
No. Still Andy's lampy? Let's sleep na.
Me.
Okay. You say goodnight to Mommy first.
Good night, Mommy.
I love you, my baby.
I love you.
My
Mom, yeah.
Do you love Mommy?
Yeah.
How much?
Yeah.
How much?
What?
Yay! You answer Mommy. How much?
Too much?
Too much. Where are the arms? Where are the arms?
No arms like this.
Ah, ganyan lang.
Mm-mm.
Oh. Kiss Mommy na.
Can you see my arms?
Yes.
Still?
Under the kumot.
Can you see my arms?
Yes, under the kumot.
Mommy, make me.
Okay. Oh, you sleep na ha? It's almost.
And then, please stay.
Okay. On your tummy. Here na. Okay. Close your eyes na. It's almost midnight.
And please stay for me, Mommy.
Okay. Close eyes na ha. It's almost midnight, okay? Love you.